start this morning and wouldn't even respond to the fob. This was shot after I actually got the doors to open because you couldn't even open the doors. What you do in a situation like that is to unseat the mechanical key from the fob and then get in. The problem was later reported after the car got some electricity as a 12-volt battery fault. This is the the OnStar report that we later received. If you look here, there's a mechanical key within the fob that you access by pressing that button right there. It releases the physical key, and then there's a slot underneath the rear of the car near the backup camera. You seat the physical key, and then when you turn, it pops open the trunk. Once the trunk is open, you can then climb through in order to open up any of the doors that you need to in order to pop open the hood. My wife called OnStar and they arranged for a flatbed tow truck to come pick us up because it's not possible to tow a car that's electric unless you have a flatbed tow truck. There was a jump start kit that the tow truck had with them, and as soon as he connected it to the 12-volt battery underneath the hood, the car was able to be put into neutral and then backed up out of the garage and ready to be mounted onto the flatbed tow truck. The person was very nice and knowledgeable. Apparently, this wasn't the first time that he had to go recover an electric vehicle that had a 12-volt battery problem. He mentioned that had happened to him a couple of times. All in all, it took us 3 hours from the time that we were going out for groceries and found the car to be dead until we were driving off the Cadillac lot with a loaner car and on our way to continue with grocery shopping, which all in all is not too bad. Obviously, it was disruptive. We were fortunate that this happened to us on a Saturday. 12-volt battery problems are not uncommon with electric vehicles. One gentleman who runs the YouTube channel E4 Electric, his name is Alex, had a notorious problem with an ID4 launch edition. But we got back to service, handed the car over, and all was well.
So this is an exciting adventure that we're on. Woke up this morning, the Cadillac was completely dead. Now we've got OnStar's tow truck bringing the Cadillac into the dealership so we could deal with the 12-volt battery. As soon as he connected the charger to the terminals on the battery post, it dialed into OnStar and for sure reported a 12-volt battery problem. So we've got a loaner waiting for us at the dealership, and our sales rep is working today, so we should be back to grocery shopping pretty soon. This should hopefully be a painless event.